Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda 250 Rebel. This is the lightweight twin-cylinder 250 that you've always admired. Super easy to handle, 25-inch seat height, great starter bike. This one's only got 770 miles. Beautiful condition. Price to sell quickly at only $34.99. Come by, check out this gorgeous Rebel 250. Make your motorcycle dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.